Students, welcome to this question. A 500 gram of toothpaste sample has 0.2 gram of fluoride concentration. What is the concentration of F minus in ppm? Right? What is ppm? ppm is nothing but parts per million. Right? So it is ppm. So we know the definition of ppm. What is ppm? Nothing but mass of solute per mass of solvent into 10 to the power 6. Right, it means mass of solute present in 1 million, part of mass of solute present in 1 million of solvent, like that it is. So here ppm, the ppm we will use only when mass of solute is very less compared to mass of solvent. It will be very more, then only we express the concentration in terms of ppm. So here mass of solute, so here we can see that 500 gram of toothpaste, right? So 500 gram is more and 0.2 gram is fluoride, right? Fluoride concentration. So solute is what? Fluoride is the solute, which is 0.2, and which is solvent here? 500 gram of toothpaste is the solvent. So here if I substitute that, I'll get ppm is nothing but 0.2 gram of fluoride means F minus, divided by total mass of solvent is nothing but 500 gram of solvent. What is that solvent? Toothpaste, into 10 to the power 6. Just I'll do simple mathematics. So gram if I cancel out, 0.2 divided by 500 into 10 to the power 6. Can I write it like this? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So here 500 means 20, so I'll cancel it out. So it is 0.2. if I take it here 2, it will be again 1 cancel here, so I'll get 2, right? 2 can I do it like this? Into 100 I'll do, so that I'll cancel out 2. So it is nothing but 20 into 100 divided by what? 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. So 4 into 100 is nothing but 400 ppm, right? 400 parts per million means 400 parts of solute. 400 parts of solute, that is fluoride, is present in that 500 gram of solvent, that is toothpaste, right? So what is the ppm? That is 400 ppm. So answer is C. So the direct question they have asked, unless you know which is solute and which is solvent, that is toothpaste, and the formula of ppm, you can't find this answer. But once you know all this basics formula, you can easily find the answer. That is to be C, that is 400 ppm. Thanks.